Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by laying out a ladder frame chassis sized for a full-size pickup. Chassis dimensions: approximately 231, 7 inches long and 79, 8 inches wide. Use high-strength steel for cross members and mounting points, then fit 3/16-inch 30x cold-rolled stainless steel panels for the exoskeleton to create the Cybertruck's angular shell. Design the suspension for 14 inches of travel front and rear using adaptive dampers and progressive rate springs. Plan mounting locations for battery pack, motors, and braking system while keeping the center of gravity low and the wheelbase balanced for handling. Build the powertrain around a modular 100 kWh to 200 kWh battery pack with liquid cooling, individual cell monitoring, and active cell balancing for longevity. Use dual or tri-motor permanent magnet synchronous motors with torque vectoring to achieve all-wheel drive and rapid acceleration. Mount inboard with short half-shafts to reduce unsprung mass. Integrate an 800V architecture and a 250 kW DC fast charge inverter. Include thermal management plumbing, safety disconnects, and a high-voltage fused service loop to protect the pack, motors, and charging electronics. Weld stainless panels with TIG and controlled fixtures to hold the exoskeleton geometry, then cold form edges and laser trim openings for doors and glass. Install active air suspension and tune regenerative braking to target roughly 25% energy recapture under mixed driving. Fit braking hardware and ABS integration. Mount interior modules, infotainment, sensors, and autopilot hardware. Then program the vehicle control unit and diagnostics. Finish with glass installation, sealing, paint, or passivation, and validate the complete vehicle through static, road, and thermal testing before certification and road use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.